Welcome to the shuttle to Gatwick North Terminal.
And welcome on board from EasyJet Holidays. You're on your way. Time to check on a few last minute things. Passport? Check. Money? Check. Tea bags? Check. Salad cream? Sun cream? Check. Bulging bags and hordes of excitable kids? Check. Well, sounds like you've got most things sorted. But did you check out an EasyJet package holiday before you left? With over 100 different European destinations, EasyJet Holidays can take you anywhere and everywhere. From Croatia to Crete, Tunisia to Tenerife. Whether it's a blissful beach escape or a scintillating city break, there's an EasyJet holiday to suit every budget. From great value family breaks to luxury all-inclusive escapes. All with our unbeatable EasyJet Holidays price guarantee. Search EasyJet Holidays.